Greetings, everybody, and welcome to yet another update video here on the Media Files. Well, once again, it's another week, another update. Yep, so this time we have ourselves yet a new Ollie's update. Yeah, we haven't been to Ollie's in a while. Walked out of there with quite a handful of comic book related stuff, so let's check out what I got right here on the Media Files. All right, welcome back. So first off, before we get into the comic related stuff that I got, found one novel, one that I know I don't have, but based on the Halo series. Yes, so here we have from Matt Forbeck, we have Halo Bad Blood. Yeah, that's awesome. So I'm like, I only paid like they only had this marked at like $1.99. I'm like, okay. I think we'll leave these for last. Yeah, because they're, as you can probably tell, they're hardcover books. So just hang on a minute. So first off, managed to find several comics based on this series. Now, one of them actually is based on a game, and I managed to find it. So here we have issue 1 from the Fables series. We have The Wolf Among Us. Yeah, it just looks so awesome. So by looking through the Fable stuff, I actually managed to find several editions. So here we have Fables, Legends, and Exile. Looks like this is volume 1. And not badly priced for about $2.99 a piece. So hey, there you go. Alrighty. So up next we have issue 3, yeah, or rather in this case, book 3, Fables Storybook Love. Yeah, I've never read any of this, and it just looks like a really, really good series to get started on. Up next, we're going to jump ahead a little bit to volume 7. We have Fables Arabian Nights and Days. Yeah. And we're going to jump literally all the way to the end. Yeah. So here we have Fables Volume 22. So I literally have both book ends of the series. We have 150 Farewell. Yeah, so in other words, this is probably the 150th issue, and it's the farewell story for this series. Like I said, I've never read this before. If any of you have, write comments down below and let me know what you thought of it, because I want to start something new. All right, and finally, let's just say I remember playing these games when I was younger, but what can I say? I can't really pass this up. They have these marked at, the tag said $7.99, but actually the computer decided to say that they were $5.99 a piece. So yeah, some error on their system. So I'm like, okay, I'll take that. So here we have the cinematic art of the World of Warcraft Volume 1. Yeah, it starts from the launch. It goes all the way through to the Warlords of Drow. Is it pronounced Draenor? I believe is how it's pronounced. But yeah, look at that. That's just awesome. An awesome hardcover book. Loads of great visuals and artwork. I mean, what can I say? That's awesome. And finally, we have the one that really caught my eye. We have the cinematic art of StarCraft. Yeah, that is awesome. What can I say? I mean, it's really brand new, still wrapped. And yeah, but this one I paid $7.99 for, so I'm like, okay. So there we go. And that completes this small little Ollie's Run update. Yeah, so with that, like, subscribe, hit the notification button, and with that, I'll see you later.